कहाँ से आपने क्या क्या किया हुआ है?
मैंने
आपके फैंस को जानना है तो मैं सारी ना वो बायोडेटा पहले करके फिर हम ज़्यादा सीरियस वाले क्वेश्चंस पाएंगे.
I am a lawyer by profession. It's an international degree from UCL.
Okay.
And वैसे I've done my O and A levels from LGS in Lahore. That's about it.
मैंने पढ़ा था आपने प्रैक्टिस भी किया हुआ है ना?
मैंने असल में I graduated last year.
Okay.
तो मैंने जो भी प्रैक्टिस की है वो प्रैक्टिस तो नहीं उससे कहते हैं because until unless you have a license you can't practice. But I have interned a lot. So I've interned with Asma Jahangir.
Wow.
Yeah.
That must have been
that was amazing. That was very exciting. So when she was alive, I was in like my first year, second year of LLB. So I interned with her. I've interned at AG office and many other like. So internships मैंने बहुत की हैं throughout the time.
So क्या किस टाइप का लॉ पढ़ा हुआ है आपने?
जो LLB होता है वो बहुत बेसिक होता है मतलब वो उसमें आप 12 सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ते हैं और वो हर किस्म के होते हैं बट यू हैव अ चॉइस सो I took intellectual property law and evidence law. Like I wanted to do something like that.
Intellectual property law.
Yeah.
लग रहा है मुझे कुदरत वैसे ही आपको ना इस साइड पे लाने की कोशिश करी थी
नहीं इस साइड पे
intellectual property से related
yeah, no, IP laws are very media related and it's like everything. लेकिन I always wanted to be an actor, so there was no plan B.
तो फिर law पे क्यों चली?
Law was never a plan B. Law was a degree that I wanted to do because my mother and father were like, you can't go until unless you have a degree. I don't know, this is like Pakistani parents' logic, which I totally disagree to. I feel you should be well educated and well read and degrees have nothing to do with that. But उनको यही था कि you should have another career choice because आज भी पाकिस्तान में ये समझा जाता है कि if you are an actor, it's not your permanent career or something like that.
तो media sciences या कुछ पढ़ने का नहीं सोचा direction कुछ नहीं है law.
No, I wanted to study
law of all the things.
I don't know. Law has always excited me.
काफी tough होता है ना?
I know it was very tough.
हाँ.
It was very tough, but law has always excited me.
Okay.
So I was like, अच्छा actor तो मैंने बनना ही है. वो तो because this is what is my calling since बचपन. But I will do law and I will study that.
तो मुझे ये बताएं बचपन में क्या वो होता था कि शीशे के सामने खड़े हो के माधुरी दीक्षित के स्टाइल में अदाएं हो रही हैं या दुपट्टा घूम रहे हैं या कुछ डांस प्रैक्टिस या डायलॉग बोले जा रहे हैं कुछ ऐसा होता था या नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं? ये कमरा बंद करके होता था?
No. I was the most overconfident person in the family because I used to be like I am Madhuri. I am.
Okay.
So I used to dress up like that. I used to dance like that. बचपन से तो वो शीशे के सामने तो वो very low की चीज होती है ना. मैं तो
ड्राइंग रूम में खड़े होके सेंटर टेबल पे
this was me.
घाघरा घुमा दो.
बचपन and then I remember me being very overweight for my time spent when I was studying. And तब my parents thought that the thing is gone because I was a very studious kid too. So but तब भी I was on because the other day my friend was sending me this video of her shadi 3 years back and I was like super overweight and I was dancing. I was seeing my expressions and I was like, dude, I'm really proud of me. मतलब इतना confidence with that weight, like dancing with all those steps and like ठुमकास and I was like. So I was always like, I knew where I wanted to go.
Okay. और अम्मी अब्बू कुछ नहीं किया, माँ बाप सही थे, सब कुछ नहीं होने
नहीं. My parents didn't say me anything. We just we have these table discussions in our house. We call them. So we just had 5 to 6 of them.
Okay.
So because initially तो they thought ना क्योंकि मेरा अच्छा डिग्री भी मेरी 2-1 आ गई थी और बड़ी अच्छी डिग्री होती और I was a very studious kid and everything. So they thought that I might just go in that profession and everything. So also I was very overweight. So my mother and father was like, she just wants to do it because a 21-year kid telling you they want to act and do this. They're like, अच्छा बाद में करेंगे बात. But one day when I came back from my graduation last year from London, so I just told my parents कि भाई मुझे जाना है कराची अब. तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं यहाँ पहले हम आपको मिलाते हैं 1-2 लोगों से. I was like नहीं, I want to go myself.
Seriously?
I will audition myself and I will see whether I have the potential because मैंने theatre वगैरह स्कूल में तो किया था but in front of the camera it's a different game I think. तो फिर I flew here.
अच्छा तो अम्मा अब्बा ने बिल्कुल नहीं रोका, उन्होंने कहा जाओ?
नहीं वो 1 तो हफ्ते का होता था कि conversation, very table conversations.
मम्मी ने ये नहीं बोला मैं साथ चलती हूँ थोड़ी दिन रहती हूँ?
नहीं. वो तो शुरू से it was very clear they know that how I am and everything. But yeah, so I came here, I auditioned. every production house.
अच्छा
Yes.
तो कैसे हाउ इन टच कैसे हुई, कैसे किया, बस
I
कॉल
think
करके पहुंच
हम
जाती थी?
इतनी अच्छी दुनिया में रहते हैं जहाँ we have Google.
ओके
और गूगल से आपको प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस के एड्रेसेस समझ आ जाते हैं.
नहीं वो तो है, लेकिन वहाँ पहुँच के मतलब वो ऐसी तो हर किसी को नहीं अंदर कर लेते
नहीं,
होंगे, क्या
लेकिन I'll
process
tell
होता
you
है?
one
Okay,
thing.
क्या हुआ?
Here, things are very different. I was taken aback too. यहाँ, if you're an actor and if you want to go and draw for audition, you just call them and they place an audition for you.
Oh, wow.
Like in every production house, this is what happens.
अच्छा, तो
Obviously, I
फिर
did
आपने
have a
call किया
contact or
सबको?
something like that. I won't be lying. I did had a contact. They made a call or two, but most production houses, I went by myself because I just had एक हफ्ता, एक week stay here. So I want to give as many auditions as I can.
ओके
So बस I just gave all those auditions एक हफ्ते में and then I flew back to Lahore.
Okay.
Then I started getting a lot of calls.
माशाल्लाह.
But बस मुझे वो थोड़ा specific होना था because मुझे soap से start नहीं करना था and everything like that. मुझे soaps बहुत offer हुए थे because start में हमेशा ये होता है.
Yeah.
So I still remember saying Mahesh bhai, give me a small role.
Okay.
But give me it in a prime time drama. He was like, no, I don't want to give you a small role. I want to start you as a lead and everything like that. I was like, no, I still don't believe in this lead culture. Like, I feel it should be your character जो, should sound about right or should speak volumes.
तो दिलरुबा में तो बहुत ही छोटा रोल था.
Yeah, Dilruba
में it was not even a very different type of character.
It
You were
didn't
just-
even had a story.
हाँ,
you
तो
know.
फिर क्यों हाँ बोला उसके लिए?
I still remember, I'm not going to talk about it, but there was a very big project that came right Dilruba ke saath hi. I was offered second lead in it.
Okay.
Yeah, I was about to do that, but things didn't work out in a week or so. And उसी हफ्ते में I got a call for Dilruba.
Okay.
And I was so impatient, which everybody watching should not be, who wants to be. I was like, चलो, I'll just start, let's just start, लेकिन जब आपको स्क्रिप्ट मिलती है और आपको कॉल आती है, तो वो जो आप स्क्रीन पे देखते हैं उससे बहुत डिफरेंट होता है कैरेक्टर. तो जो मुझे पता चला था, द गर्ल हैड अ स्टोरी, बट व्हेन इट केम ऑन बोर्ड और जब हमने शूट शुरू किया, ऑब्वियसली देयर वाज नो स्टोरी. बट थ्रू आउट दैट 8 months दैट वी शॉट दिलरुबा, नॉट फॉर अ सेकेंड वाज देयर एनी रिग्रेट्स कि ये मैंने क्या कर लिया. बिकॉज जब मैं शूट कर रही थी उसके दौरान ही मुझे ऑफर्स आना शुरू हो गई थी. बट फिर आई वाज लाइक पहले लेट जस्ट कम दिलरुबा कम ऑन एयर.
तो फिर जब तक दिलरुबा नहीं गया था, आपने कोई और चीज़ को हाँ नहीं बोला?
आई डिड नॉट.
भड़ास कैसे आया?
भड़ास, so I met Six Sigma people, Humayun Bhai, Sanam and Sanadeem, when I came to audition and everything. और उन्होंने तभी they were like कि हम आपको देंगे कुछ and everything. But I am not somebody who will text and be like दे दें please. So Bharas came in March first week when we were in lockdown.
Okay.
I still remember I was eating matron wale chawal and there was Sanadeem Beg calling me and I was like, Sanadeem Beg. So he's big name and everything. So he called me और उन्होंने बताया ये एक project है and we want to take you as the main lead and everything. But हम 2 हफ्ते में start कर रहे हैं और लॉकडाउन था, ये पीक